Namaste दोस्तों. Hello friends, this is Suman Sharma. Welcome back to my channel Suman Education Hub English. In today's video we are going to discuss about how to maintain cosmetic accounting in Telebrand. If you run cosmetic shop or cosmetic showroom, so how you will be record this kind of accounting in Telebrand, I'm going to tell you in this video. Before starting video and before move into the video, it's my personal request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can share my channel with your family member, with your friends, and to student whoever want to learn accounting work in English language, you can share with all of them. Anybody can learn accounting work in English language on my channel, so please support me, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my future videos. So let's get started. First we will create company, so click on create company option, and from here you can create your new company. So I'm going to create cosmetic company, and in mailing address same name will be there, and in address fill your registered address, select your state, fill all these options like country, telephone, mobile number, fax number, email ID, website, and in financial year 1st April 2023, and save this screen. Now you can see company created successfully. Now we need to configure for taxation option. So click on taxation option, enable GST option. From here you have to fill all these options related GST details and save this screen. So we have created company and we have configure of taxation option. From gateway of Tally, press B, and first we are going to purchase cosmetic products. So from the right hand side select purchase voucher, and by pressing F2 you can change the date in which date you have purchased from your suppliers. So click on change mode and select item wise, as because we are going to purchase product, that's why we need to change the voucher type. And in suppliers invoice number fill suppliers invoice number, change the date. And in party account, by pressing Ctrl C you can create your party account ledger if ledger is not created. So I'm going to create my suppliers ledger, Suman Shoe Cosmetic Company. Under group you need to select sundry creditors, maintain balances bill by bill, press yes, and fill parties complete address, select state and fill the GST number of the party and save this ledger. Press enter, and in purchase ledger by pressing Ctrl C we will create purchase account ledger from here. So ledger name will be purchase account and group will be purchase account. GST will be applicable, and in set alter GST details press no, as because we are going to create a common ledger. Type of supply goods. Name of item, from here you have to select your name of item you are going to purchase. If stock item is created, so select. If stock item is not created, so by pressing Ctrl C you can create your stock item. So first item I am going to create lipstick, and in bracket you can mention your lipstick brand or your lipstick company. So from here under, if you want to create group for stock item, by pressing Ctrl C you can create a stock group. So I'm going to create lipstick stock group, and in unit by pressing Ctrl C you can create your stock item unit. So you can create lipstick pieces or lipstick in number unit. So by pressing Ctrl C I'm going to show you how you will be create pieces stock item. So in symbol type PC, informal type complete name of pieces and save this. GST will be applicable. Set alter GST detail, press yes and fill HSN code of lipstick, and in taxability select taxable option, and 18% tax rate will be applied on lipstick and save this. If you wish you can mention here in description lipstick color or lipstick brand, any kind of description if you want to mention you can mention in description. And in quantity, how much quantity you have purchased, mention quantity, and in which rate you have purchased, mention rate. Next product we are going to create by pressing Ctrl C, foundation cream. In bracket you can mention your foundation cream brand or your company, and under by pressing Ctrl C we will create foundation cream group. So I'm going to create here foundation stock group. So if we have purchased different brands, different companies foundation cream, so we will create all those stock item under this group. So we have to fill HSN code of foundation cream, and in taxability select taxable option, and 18% rate will be applied on foundation cream, and save this stock item. And in description if you want to mention foundation shade number, so you can mention foundation shade number. And in quantity, let's suppose we have purchased 5 quantity at the rate of 2000, so you can fill quantity and rate. And by pressing Ctrl C we will create third item. So third item we are going to purchase kajal. In bracket you can mention your kajal company name or kajal brand name. By pressing Ctrl C we will create stock group. So I'm going to create kajal stock group, so you can also create if you wish. And in quantity I'm going to select pieces. GST will be applicable, and in HSN we will fill HSN code of kajal. Taxability in taxable, and 18% tax rate will be applied on kajal stock item. In description you can mention in kajal which color you are going to purchase, green, red, blue, black. So you can use description option. And in quantity mention quantity, how much quantity you have purchased, at which rate you have purchased. So in this way one by one you have to select all those product, all those cosmetic product, and one by one you can create as I'm showing you. So by pressing Ctrl C we will create powder stock item. And in quantity you can select pieces or you can select number. GST will be applicable, fill HSN code of the powder. And in taxability select taxable option, and 18% tax rate will be applied on powder. In description you can mention any kind of description if you want to mention. If you don't want to mention you can skip it. And in quantity and rate, fill quantity and rate. By pressing Ctrl C I'm going to create hair oil. In bracket you can mention hair oil brand or hair oil company name. By pressing Ctrl C we are going to create stock item of oil and fill HSN code of the hair oil. And in taxability select taxable option, 18% tax rate will be applied on hair oil. Press enter, and if you want to mention anything in description you can mention, otherwise you can skip it. In quantity we are going to purchase 50 quantity at the rate of 150. By pressing Ctrl C we are going to create CGST ledger under duties and taxes, and then GST and central tax, and save this. So we are going to purchase from local party, so we are going to apply CGST and SGST. So you can also create, if you want to create input CGST and input SGST, so you can also create something like this. By pressing Ctrl C, create input SGST ledger under duties and taxes, then GST, and select state tax and save this. Now our purchase is done. If you want to analyze GST tax analysis, so from the right hand side click on related option, and then click on GST tax analysis. From the right hand side you can see small arrow, click on that and click on detail option. Here you can see your invoice, purchase invoice, GST tax analysis. If you want to see print preview of the invoice, so click on print, then current, and click on preview option. By pressing F4 you can zoom your invoice. Your print preview will look like this. So we have purchased, save this entry. Now purchase is done. Cosmetic products sell in B2B and B2C also, and in cash also. So how you will be sell first in cash? Let's suppose some person comes and buy some cosmetic product from your shop. So how you will be sell in cash? So select sale voucher from the right hand side, and by pressing F2 you can change the date. And in party account name, you have to select cash ledger, as because you are going to sell this product in cash. So select cash ledger, which is already by default available in Tally Prime. In sales ledger, by pressing Ctrl C, you can create sales account ledger. Under group sales account, GST will be applicable. Set alter GST no. And in type of supply, select goods and save this ledger. Name of item, you have to select one by one all those product you are going to sell to the customer. So we are going to sell hair oil. Quantity, how much quantity you are selling, fill in quantity, at which rate, fill rate. And by pressing Ctrl C, we are going to create output CGST, which is a Texas ledger. Under group duties and taxes, then GST, and select central tax option. By pressing Ctrl C, we will create output as GST ledger. Under group duties and taxes, GST and state tax, and save this ledger. Now sale invoice is done. This is how you can record cash sale entry in Tally Prime. Next, I'm going to show you if you're selling B2B customer, so how you will be record that kind of entry in Tally Prime. So in same voucher, select sales voucher, and by pressing Control C, you can create your buyer's ledger from here. So I'm going to create Suman Cosmetic Company. Under group, you have to select sundry debtors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes. Fill all the details of party, GST number, and save this ledger. And in sale account ledger, sales account select, and in name of item you have to select one by one all those products you are going to sell to the B2B customer. So first we are going to sell lipstick. In quantity, how much quantity, at which rate. So I'm going to sell 70 quantity at the rate of 1000. Second, we are going to sell foundation cream, 4 pieces at the rate of 500. Third product, we are going to sell hair kajal, 5 pieces at the rate of 150. So one by one you have to select all those products. So next we are going to sell powder at 70 quantity at the rate of 200. Hair oil, we are going to sell 45 pieces at the rate of 200. Now we are applying taxes ledger output CGST and output SGST. As because we are going to sell this product at local B2B supplier. So click on related option, and if you want to do GST tax analysis, so click on small option and then detail. Now you can see, if you want to see print preview of your invoice, so you can see print preview will show something like this. So this is how you can sell B2B customer. Let's open balance sheet and we'll see how those entry will show in balance sheet. So click on current liabilities. In sundry creditors, you can see purchase details. In duties and taxes, you can see your input taxes and output taxes is showing here. So input taxes is showing in debit side and output taxes is showing in credit side. Under current assets, click on current assets. You can see your sales, all those sales is show under sundry debtors. If you want to analyze your GST report, so click on go to option and open GSTR2 reports, where you can see your purchase. So change the date. Now you can see B2B. In B2B column, purchase is showing. Earlier we have done. Open GSTR1 where we can see our sales. So change the date. Now you can see B2C invoices is showing in B2C column, and B2B there is showing in there is something mismatch in our B2B invoices. We did not fill GST number in our buyer's ledger, that's why this entry is showing in mismatch column. When we will fill this option, when we will fill GST number and save this entries, then this entry will be transferred in B2B column. Now you can see that entry is transferred and showing in B2B column. If you want to analyze GSTR3B, so open GSTR3B, change the date. Here you can see B2B, our output, supply and eligible ITC amount is showing here. So this is how you can also record and maintain cosmetic product showroom and shop accounting in Teleprime. If you wish, you can search my channel on Google or on YouTube by searching Suman Education Hub English. If you want to learn accounting work in Hindi language, I have one more channel on YouTube. You can search Hindi channel Suman Education Hub. This is my Hindi channel name. And if you want to learn accounting in English language, so this channel is here. For all of you, you can come and learn accounting work in English language. I hope this video help you out. If this video will help you out, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and keep watching my